Going to explain how to submit claim in one point. First, we need to log in with our credential. In first home page under employee self services, there is a expenses tab will be there. If we go through that, there are four options will be there. Under that, we have to choose create expense report category. So in that page, there is a create expense report tab will be there. If we choose this one, this page will come up. Here claim category official expenses are already mapped, so no need to choose anything. And here claim description will be there. Here I'm going to create exam broadband expenses, so I will say put here broadband expenses, and depart location will be there. Here we have to select our base location. So my base location is Bangalore, so I will put Bangalore, India. And here attach receipt option will be there. Here I will attach receipt. For example, will attach example 1 by anything. Now already uploaded, so I will click on the done button. We need to go back to page, and here add expenses. Under category, we have to select itemized expenses, and here first date tab will be there. The date tab means the invoice date, so we have to select the invoice date. So suppose my invoice date was June 1st, I will select as the June 1st. And the expense type here really, we have to click on this search button, and here all types under, we have to select the relevant expense type as my invoice. So my invoice is internet expenses, so I will select telephone residential. This is for the broadband expenses. Suppose I have expense for cell phone expense, calling expenses, I need to select telephone mobile. So here I am going to select telephone residential. So like that we have to select for the respective expenses, and description we have to put properly. Broadband expenses for the month of, and payment type we have to select electronic fund transfer only, and claim amount should be our invoice amount. So my invoice amount is 1000 rupees, so I will select 1000 rupees, and billing time should be internal, let it be internal. And here attach receipt option one more is, so I have already attached it, so no need to again attach. And here one more accounting project details is the mandatory fields we have to fill. If you click on that, here project chartbooks option will be there. So in there, here the 3 columns will be there, empty in empty. So we have to fill one by one. From the PC per unit, we have to click on the search button, and which is available active project data we have to select. So my project is SS Finance, so I will select. And the source type and category should be support general admin, and category is communication for the broadband expenses. Now we have to click on the done button, and after filling necessary details, above the page right side, save button will be there, and review and submit button will be there. So click on the review and submit button. We need to check through update details. If we need to modify the transaction, we have to click on the update details and then modify and save the details. Now I have filled properly, so now I will click on the submit button. It pop-ups with the submit button. Again we need to choose submit. Now claim has been submitted. This is the first claim now coming up. So if you click on that, the status shows the submission in process. So now it is pending with our reporting manager. So likewise we have to create claim for all expenses with the respective expense type, and it will route it through the respective department.